Welcome to Java training course. My name is Inayat Ali. In this lecture, we'll learn Java exception handling and types. So first of all, defining what's an exception. Exception is an unwanted or unexpected event which occurs during execution of a program. Exception can be can be on the compile time and can be on the runtime, or there will be another condition. It's called error. You cannot handle the errors. Let's suppose it's showing the memory out of memory. So this is the error you can't handle in your code. You have to separately define heap size and other things. And exception you can handle while on the compile time, while writing the code, or handling the logical condition for the, let's suppose, null pointer exception, for the arithmetic operator exceptions. You can have to logically handle these type of the exceptions. So moving forward to our coding section, let's suppose we are writing a example for the exception handling. There are 5 keywords which are used in the exception handling system. One of them is throws. Let's writing this. Throws. Other is throw. Other is try catch, and one last one is the finally. So we'll and one more enhancement in Java 7 is try with resource. So these are the main points which we will be handling in this course, in this lecture. So first of all, moving with the exception, where we can handle the throws. And what is throw? Let's suppose I'm writing a method name public void show, and here I will write the throws. I am giving the IO exception. This throws keyword is used in the scenario where we are going and we are not handling exception in this class. The caller of this function in another class will have to handle this type of the exception. We use the throws for this processes, and so this is how we can use the throws in our Java application. Mostly it is handled in the main method. Other condition which mostly we are using is the try catch. Yeah, this is the syntax of try catch class. And here will be e dot print trace, which will print the details of class. This will be writing the method add, which we will handle these type of the exceptions. Let's suppose in this method have the 2 parameters, and A and B. Here we will handle if the null pointer exception. Let's suppose if a not equal to null and a greater than 0. Okay, this is showing that this will be not be used here. So this is a condition which only here occurs, where we can use write this this type of exception, or this is the try catch statement which you will be using. There can be a finally also, finally block. So these three conditions can be used in one time, and in one more condition will be here the try with only finally. Try with finally, try with catch, and finally. We can use try, either catch or finally, or both of them. Let's suppose this will be one more example. Try, and here will be catch only in this format. And so finally statement is executed here. Finally will be every time, but one condition, if in this here any user is writing, let's suppose system.exit and is giving status any one. So in this condition, if you are exiting system or any other scenario in which heap size issues, memory issues are occurred, then it finally will not be executed, but in other all scenarios finally will be executed. It's compulsory. Then we have one more condition for the have a example of try with resources. So here we are writing scenario try. By using this, we are creating object, let's suppose of a scanner class for the input, new scanner. In this we are using the new file, and we are providing the test.txt file extension. Okay, this will be happening here. After that, we have in this file the while loop. While we are using scanner object dot has next, if it is true then print something here, else we are writing here catch, and catch will be file not found exception fnf, and here handling this fnf dot print stack. So this code is updated in the Java 7, where we have write the in Java 7 they have provided the ability to try with the resources option, which is this type of scenario. We can use this scenario, and we are going to one more we have one more example for the throw. Throw is a keyword in exception where we can handle the we are creating a new instance for other class that will handle this process. Let's suppose we are writing a method name static void fun, and here I'm giving this try. Now we are going to throw new null pointer exception with any parameter like this, and here we will be catching this scenario, and here it will be null pointer exception. Here I will be printing the e.print status. So this is how we can use the throw keyword. This is the Java with resource, or try with resource. This is the finally which is used, and this is here throws use. Checked exception have example of SQL exception, file not found exception, and for the end when we are having while in the unchecked exception, which are the runtime exceptions in which we can handle null pointer exception, array index outer bound exception, array index bound exceptions, and arithmetic exception. That these are the types of runtime exception, or you can say the unchecked exceptions. Moving forward, these all are the handling. These are the main class of this all exception class is the exception main class, in which we are getting the child hierarchies for the runtimes, check exception, IO exception, SQL exception, arithmetic exception. There is the hierarchy which will be you will see in details when we using in the next lectures. Moving forward, in the next lecture we'll learn the Java enumerations and Java enums, and what are this and how we can use this Java enums, and what are the benefits of Java enums. If you have any question and suggestion, so please comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share videos with your friends. Thanks and have a great day.